Hello everyone, welcome to my class. This video is relating to the competitive class, that is CA Foundation competitive class. And also this video has primarily focus on paper 4. As you know that paper 4, it has two parts. First part is business economics and second part business commercial knowledge. As you know that business economics in the first part, which carrying a weightage of marks, that is 60, and also business commercial knowledge part 2, so which carrying a marks 40. The method of examination will be MCQ. Timing will be 2 hours. So this is what the paper 4 strategy. And also each part, for the first part, it will consist 72 minutes. That means 1 hour 10 minutes you need to prefer, and also 48 minutes for part 2. That means which consists of 50 minutes of a paper. So this is what the examination strategy of your paper 4, business economics and business commercial knowledge. Now today, in your first episode, we are going to discuss about business economics part 1 in that first chapter. Chapter 1, Nature and Scope of Business Economics. In this first unit, introduction. So in this introduction, what are the learning outcomes that we can discuss here? At the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain the meaning of economics, describe the meaning and nature of business economics, describe the scope of business economics. Okay, now let me see the chapter overview of this first unit. See, chapter name, Nature and Scope of Business Economics. In that, definition, scope of economics. There are two subject matters, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Nature, basic economic problems, that is what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce. So all these things we'll need to learn in this first unit. Now, let me move on introductory part. First, what is economics about? Dear students, what is economics? Or what does deal with this economics? So that we can discuss here. The term economics or the word economics is derived from the Greek word, that is what? Oikonomia. That means, oikonomia means household. That means household. So the term economics is derived from the Greek word oikonomia. So oikos means household. Nomos means management. So that we can say that in shortly, economics is a household management. So in the 19th century, till the 19th century, so this is considered as a political economy. So first modern work of economics, later on the stage, the first modern economist till the 19th century, economics was considered as a political economy. First modern work of economics was published by Adam Smith, that is an inquiry into the nature and causes of the wealth of nations. It was published on 1776. In short, we can say that wealth of nations. So that is the reason Adam Smith was considered as a father of economics. Then some are having a doubt regarding the Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall was not a father of economics. He was the father of modern economics. Adam Smith was a father of economics. Alfred Marshall was father of modern economics. So this is what the introduction part. So then remember, economics deals with what? Household management, and Adam Smith was the father of economics. His book name Nature, an Enquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations, or in short we can say that Wealth of Nations, was published on 1776. Okay students, now we'll move on further concepts. Now let me see what is the meaning of business economics. How this economics is relates to the business economics. Business economics also refer managerial economics, which generally refers to the integration of economic theory with business practice. See how this economics is related to with the business economics, because business economics which is relates to the practice, business practice. For the business practice, it requires economic theory, so that the union of or the integration of economic theory and economic theory with the business practice is called business economics. While the theories of economics provides the tools which explain various concepts such as demand, supply, cost, price, competition, etc. That means economics which will provide the economic tools. So these are, that means the economic tools like demand, supply, price, competition, cost, etc. For this economic tools or the theories of economics, but for this business economics applies for making the decision making. That means here business economics applies these tools in the process of business decision making. Let we see what is decision making. Decision making refers to the process of selecting an appropriate alternative that will provide the most efficient means of attaining a desired end from two or more alternative courses of action. Then what is decision making? See, everybody, you know that in every field we require a proper decision. Yes, either it is in personally, or it is in any other sectors, or it is in organization, institutions, whatever, in every stage of our life which will takes the decision. Then in business economics or in the field of business, what is this decision making? So it means it is the process of selecting an appropriate alternative, means choosing the appropriate or suitable alternatives that will provide the most efficient means of attaining a desired end. That means whichever we selected, so that will gives what? That is most efficient resources or means of the resources to achieve our desire, and from two or more alternative course of action. That means that is from the two or more course of action, that is called as decision making. Thus Business economics comprises of that part of economic knowledge, logic, theories and analytical tools that are used for rational business decision making. And in briefly we can say that it is applied economics, and that tells us the gap between economic theory and business practice. So this is what business economics. Now we'll move on definition of business economics. Then how to define the business economics? Dean, he defined business economics in terms of the use of economic analysis in the formulation of business policies. Our approach in this text is to focus on the heart of the business economics, that is microeconomic theory of the behavior of consumers and firms in the competitive market. On these two approaches, this business economics will be applied. Thus, Dean, according to him, business economics in terms of the use of economic analysis in the formulation of business policies. That means for the formulation of business policies, we can use the economic analysis. So this is what the definition of business economics. Okay students, now in this episode some practice questions will be there. Everyone please solve those practice questions and also submit on time. So the following are the practice questions. Question number 1. Father of political economy dash. Question number 2. Economic problems arise because of dash. Question number 3. Ceteris paribus means dash. So 4 options will be there. So you need to write proper answer. Question number 4. Basic economic problem is dash. Here also 4 options will be there. Choose correct answer. Question number 5. Economics is dash. Please choose the one option. Question number 6. Economic law means dash. Here also please select a proper answer. Question number 7. Adam Smith was a dash. Write the proper answer. Question number 8. Marshall in his definition of economics dash. Here also please choose one correct answer. Question number 9. Wealth of nations dash. And the last question, number 10. Marshall wrote the book dash. So these are the questions. You need to find out the proper answer and please submit it on time. Thank you.